Welcome to Easy Cooking with Don Juan. And on today's recipe, we're going to have my easy and delicious cheeseburger and potato casserole. And if you haven't had my cheeseburger and potato casserole, you better slap yourself and make sure your hands are super duper clean. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need chopped ground beef. You will need onion powder, garlic powder, red crushed peppers, black pepper, parsley. You will need your potatoes, your choice of potatoes. You will need your choice of cheese, shredded cheese, and bell peppers and onions. And when I get everything ready, I'll be right back. This video is specially made for my nephew Storm. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching all my videos. And thank everybody for supporting me. Thank you so much. And Storm, I got a special guest that want to say hey to you. Pineapple Patty. What you say, Pineapple Patty? She's told me to tell you to keep up the great work, and we thank you. And now I'm showing you how to cook your ground beef. I already added my seasoning, my 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of crushed red peppers, and I put my bell peppers and onions chopped up in here. And you just want to let it cook. And when this is done, I'll be right back. And now I'm about to show you how to layer your cheeseburger and potato casserole. First, you want to put your potatoes in there. At the bottom, let them be the base. Just like so. You can use the regular potatoes, or you can use these hash brown potatoes. It don't matter. However, just like that. Whatever kind of potatoes you got. Don't be scared to put them in there. Don't be scared to use them. Simple as that. Then you want to get your ground beef. And you want to layer it just like that. Just like that. Layer it just like that. And spread it out just like that. And just repeat it. You know, next you want to put your shredded cheese, or whatever kind of cheese you like. Put it on just like that. Just like that, y'all. Don't be scared. This is your casserole. Do it the way you want to do it. And so, and you put your potatoes on here. Just like that. Whatever kind of potatoes you got. And then put your ground beef back on there. Doing layering. Just like that. Just like that. Spread it out. So it get on every part of your baking dish. This is your baking dish. And when I'm done, I'll be right back to show you how it looks. And this is how it looks after I get through layering it. Now you want to put it in your oven on 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. And when it's done, I'll be back to show you the finished product. And this is the final product of my easy and delicious cheeseburger and potato casserole. Look at it, y'all. It looks good. It smells good. And I know it's going to taste good. And if you want more Easy Cooking with Don Juan, all you got to do is like, share, and subscribe. And tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine.